Hi, I'm Eric with On It Pro. I want to show you a new product here called Jack. It's a waterless car wash. We are out in California here where we have a drought and we cannot use water. So if you want to wash your car, this is the stuff. A waterless car wash, Jack by Aurora Marine. By the way, Aurora Marine makes some terrific products. They make our proprietary formula, Extreme Cream. We're going to put this on this Honda Element here. You can see that it's really dirty and all that. And so we're going to start with the Jack. So basically what we do is you got to shake the bottle first. And then we spray it on. So we're going to spray it on the car here. And we're going to let it dry for a few minutes. Okay, we're going to wipe off the Jack here that's on the side of the car. And you saw how dirty the vehicle was. I did not use any water. So all I'm doing is wiping with a rag right now. As you can see, a lot of the dirt's coming off here into my hands. You can feel the car becomes real nice and slick as well. You can feel the slipperiness. Feels really good right here. And we're going to do the hood next so I can show you before and after. But anyway, we'll do one last little wipe with a nice soft cloth here afterward for the hood. We're going to do half the hood here so you can see how it looks compared to the other side. So we're going to do just half of it. Let this dry here and we'll show you in just a minute how it all looks. You can see all the dirt coming off in the rag. The car is real quick, and then we're going to do one final shot of the car completely done, but we want everybody to see how dirty this car is. Now that is awesome.